Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I normally don't do unboxings of stuff that I order, but this is a rare exception. This one is from Scented Treasures. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm so excited. This is the Bad Witch collection. It is so cool. Go ahead and take it out so you can see it better. So it is a giant coffin. It comes with 3 bath bombs, and supposedly you can reuse the coffin as like a ring holder. So it sounds really cool. So let's go ahead and open this. I've actually been ordering from Scented Treasures for exactly a year. It was their Halloween bath bomb last year that won me over, and I've been ordering ever since. Look at that, how pretty. And this is really thick cardboard. Looks to be, ooh, it smells good. It looks to be pretty good quality. So the first one is called Black Feline. And that one is black, and it has like a orangish mica like claw mark through it. I don't know how well that's showing up. I'm getting a little bit of glare from the packaging. That one smells really good. Also have Skeleton Dust. They just released some more Halloween stuff too, so you should check them out. This one's just plain. It's kind of like white with a tinge of green. It's covered in silver glitter. That has a nice scent to it as well. And the last one is Moonlit Flight. There's a cool little witch on it. This one is orange with the moon, and of course that one smells good too. So this part then lifts out, and you can stick your rings in there. There's little slots going all the way across from way up here all the way to the bottom. You could display a ton of rings in there. So I put a few rings in there. As you can tell, this is going to hold pretty many rings. And I love that you can set it up like that on a shelf, or you can lay it on its side if you wanted to. Very, very cool. And I love these little vintage looking witches on the front. So I will be doing ring reveals for each bath bomb individually. So if you're interested, stay tuned if you want to see what I got. And if you want to order one, I think these are still available. So I'll put their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.